In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate the 1688 app to English 2025 step by step. First, open the 1688 app on your device. Because the app is primarily designed for the Chinese market, most of the interface will default to Chinese when you launch it. That's expected, and we'll switch what we can into English from within the app's own settings. From the home screen, head to your profile area. This is usually the tab labeled My, and in Chinese, you'll see the characters 我的. You'll often find it on the bottom navigation bar, typically on the far right, and it may also be represented by a person or silhouette icon. Tap that to enter your account section. Inside your profile, look for the settings menu. It is commonly marked by a gear icon, and the label in Chinese is Shiji. Depending on your app version and device, the gear might be in the top right corner of the screen or listed within the profile options. Tap to open the settings page. On the settings page, scroll until you find the language option. This may be called language or multilingual, and in Chinese you'll see Duo Yu Yan. It can appear under a general or basic settings section. If you're unsure, look for the globe icon or any row that includes those Chinese characters. Tap to open the language list. Now choose English. If you see English in the list, select it and confirm any prompt that appears. The app may briefly refresh or reload to apply the change. Keep in mind, availability of English can vary by app version, device, and region. So if you don't see it right away, it may not be offered on your current build. After switching, you'll notice that key menus, buttons, and some system notifications display in English. However, most product titles, shop descriptions, images with text, and many promotional banners will remain in Chinese because they come directly from sellers and in-app content feeds. That's normal on 1688. As you browse, rely on familiar icons, filters, and the search bar to navigate, and use the English labeled sections to manage your account, messages, and checkout settings more comfortably. If things don't change immediately, return to the previous screen or revisit your profile to let the interface refresh. Minor layout differences across iOS and Android are common, so focus on the icons and the Chinese labels I mentioned as a guide. That's all you need to switch the app's interface where supported. Open the app, go to My, enter settings, find language or multilingual, and choose English. With that done, you'll have a much easier time navigating